Hello, marhaba. In this lesson, we will continue with the last part of the possessive pronouns. In today's lesson, we will discuss plural possessive pronouns. The first plural pronoun will be our. This can be used for both dual pronouns as well as plural one. This is pronounced in Arabic as na, na. And the way it's written, you combine the letters na plus a. Now, let's see how it looked like in a sentence. This is our book, and we write it and pronounce it like this. هذا كتابنا. هذا كتابنا. Moving on to the second plural pronoun, which is your for masculine, and it's pronounced in Arabic as kum, kum. The way it's written, you combine the letters ka plus ma. Here is an example for it. This is your book, and it will be pronounced and written like this. هذا كتابكم. هذا كتابكم. The next pronoun will be your for feminine, and it will be pronounced as kun, kun. And it's a combination of the letters ka plus na. Here is an example for it. This is your book. It will be pronounced and written like this. هذا كتابكن. هذا كتابكن. Continuing with the next pronoun, their for masculine, will be pronounced in Arabic as hum, hum. And the way it's written, you combine the letters ha plus ma. The example for it, this is their book. It will be pronounced and written like this. هذا كتابهم. هذا كتابهم. For the final pronoun for this lesson, which is their for feminine, and it's pronounced in Arabic as hun, hun. And the way it's written, you combine the two letters ha plus na. An example for it, this is their book. It is pronounced and written like this. هذا كتابهن. هذا كتابهن. With this, we have reached the end of this lesson. I hope you are having fun learning with me, and it's easy to understand. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will make sure to respond. I wish you a good day and stay safe. Please like and subscribe. Bye. مع السلامة.